Hello everyone, I have my mama here visiting me in Bermuda. So we're going to adventure this weekend while she's here for her birthday. Today we are going to the beach to start because it's beautiful outside and we want to see some fishies and get some sun. Let's go. Hello everybody, it is, really zoomed in. Hello again. It is Saturday the 15th, I think. My mom is here visiting and I am taking her to the east end of the island. I think we're going to do Cooper's Island. I haven't been there in a really long time and it is absolutely beautiful. So we're going to check that out. And whatever else is in the east, maybe go to Blue Hole to look at the caves a little bit, go to the Swizzle for lunch, and oh, here she is. Say hi. Hi. And yeah, Swizzle for lunch and probably go paddleboarding as well by Tucker's Point, see if we can make it to Castle Harbor. Stay along for the ride. Cooper's Island, and we're just walking down the path. It doesn't look like much from here, but it's beautiful. The prize at the end of this path is amazing. Beautiful white sand beaches, lots of wildlife and turtles. So let's see if we can find any. Thank you to whoever left this noodle for us. We need it for snorkeling. Cooper's Island actually used to be an island, and they actually attached it to the rest of Bermuda to kind of expand the airport. So Clearwater Beach, just behind us, is a man-made beach. And you can see up here, the US used to have a NASA base here. So there's lots of old buildings and things that are closed off now. They shut it down a while ago, but they still have some of their buildings here that are all blocked off. So just kind of a cool fun fact. Beach number 1 on Cooper's Island. All little trails. This one is so nice.
Oh, look at that nice piece of driftwood.
Mm-hmm. What do you think, Mom? Nice? Yep, I think it's time. Jump in. Sunday now, and we are all suited up for a little hike. We're meeting Allie to do a little bit of the railway trail. So the Bermuda Railway Trail, it goes all the way from one end of the island to the other, and it was made a really long time ago. I don't know the date, but it was made for railway to go across the island before they had cars here. And now it's like a really nice walking trail that lots of people come to Bermuda to hike on. So let's go check out the Central Railway Trail. Arboretum is over there. So we went all the way from Ord Road in Warwick to the roundabout in Paget. It was a long walk. We're turning around now. Very sweaty, very hot, but it's so beautiful. Right, it is Monday now, and we're headed into Hamilton to do a little bit of shopping and get brunch at one of my favorite places, Devil's Apple Cafe. It's really good if you want something healthy and super yummy. Last night we just went over to Justin's parents' house to watch the Game of Thrones season opening episode all together. Who watched it because it was awesome. So good for the first episode. Let's go to Hamilton. Hopefully we don't get rained on. So as predicted, it was way too rainy today to film anything. So we went for a little shop, and now we're going for birthday dinner at the Princess. Let's go.
There goes a sight from my soul. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
How's the food? On course, dark and stormy cheesecake. That's the dark and stormy, Mom. Squeeze it in. Squeeze it in. You took it back. Nice. Happy birthday.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight.